Hey guys, my name is Kelly. I'm a full-time reseller. My Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. So today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul and I found some amazing items. So make sure you stick around for the whole video. I found some Johnny Was, Fendi, a bunch of really cool brands. So if you clicked on this video, it means a lot to me. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you commented, that would mean a lot to me. It tells the algorithm that you like my videos and it makes me want to keep making videos. Okay, so the first item, Johnny Was. I've only found Johnny Was 2 other times. One was a dress, a linen embroidered dress that I sold for $125, and one was a pair of like plain white fringe jeans that sold for $30. This is the tag, Johnny Was. It's 100% silk. It's this really busy, pretty pattern. It retailed for, I did look this one, I saw these things, so I did not look up all the items yet. I don't know exactly how much I'm gonna list them all for, but I did look this one up. I'm gonna insert a stock photo. It retailed for $228, I believe. It's in amazing condition, so pretty. So excited to find this. So if I'm rushing through this, it's because it's really hot. I live in the Pacific Northwest and we just went through a heat wave. It was almost 120 degrees and a bunch of people died. It's the hottest it's ever been here. So I can't have I have a window AC, but I can't have that on while I film the video or you won't be able to hear me. So if I'm sweating and rushing through, that's why. Okay, this item is Laura Bianchi. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's made in Italy. I believe it's 100% linen. I don't see the fabric tag, but I'm almost positive it's 100% linen. And it's like a snakeskin print. It has a little collar, it's sleeveless, and it comes with a belt. Super cute. I'm super excited to list that. This next one was really interesting. Also, I don't remember my cost of goods off the top of my head. I just want to show you guys this stuff. But everything was really cheap. Johnny Was shirt was just a couple bucks. Most of these things were just a couple bucks. If I pay up like over $10 for anything, I'll tell you. Next one is Michael Marcella. This is vintage, made in the USA. Okay, so this is the tag. And then it has a little workers union tag underneath. And I'm pretty sure it's just polyester. I looked it up, or I looked at the tag, but I don't remember. It has shoulder pads. It has these like puffy peasant sleeves, embellishments. It feels like silk, but I'm pretty sure it's polyester. Floral pattern, and then this like fringe and this crazy bow. This, I don't know when this was made, but this gives me like 60s, 50s vibes. I don't know. I'm not good at like dating vintage stuff, but I thought this was pretty cool. It might sit for a little bit because most people are not looking for a dress like that, but that's okay. Next, I just got this item back from Thredup. Actually, it didn't sell. I got this a long time ago. I was like a little confused by it because, so it's 100% silk, but the brand Fashion Instinct, just the tag looked cheap. So I don't know, but apparently it's silk. It has a cute little tie. It's a really pretty green color. I had listed it on Poshmark for a long time. It had no interest, so I sent it into Thredup. Didn't sell, so we are gonna try Poshmark again. All right, same with this. This is Eileen Fisher pants. They are organic cotton and spandex. They're cropped, very like lag and look style. So these I had also listed on Poshmark. They weren't selling, sent them into Thredup because Eileen Fisher does very well on Thredup. I don't have any labels right now. I'm like on hold because I've sent in so many boxes and I'm not super obsessed with Thredup anymore, but if you are selling stuff to Thredup, Eileen Fisher does really well on there. So this next item is a reason why I'm not super obsessed with Thredup right now. So this was Max Mara, made in Italy. It's 100% genuine leather jacket. It has like a blazer look. So I bought this like 6 months ago, I think. Sent it into Thredup and it didn't sell. And when I got it back, I was like, that's fine, I'll just list it on Poshmark. It was in perfect condition when I sent it. So it's got a bunch of material missing there, and yeah, there's I don't know if you can tell, but it's like this jacket retailed for like probably like $3,000. And I know I wouldn't have gotten that much for it, but probably like 100 maybe. I don't know, but so yeah, I need to email them about that. They've sent a lot of stuff back to me damaged, so I don't know. Next item is Lafayette 148 New York. This is another one where I sent it in Thredup, it didn't sell. It came back in good condition, so I don't have good luck selling like dress pants or dress skirts, really any career wear on Poshmark. Every once in a while, I prefer to send this kind of stuff into Thredup, and I find that these brands like this one and Eileen Fisher, Max Mara, they tend to get more on Thredup. They list their items really high for their high-end stuff, but I don't have labels at the moment, so just gonna see. Next item is Theory. We got a really pretty blue dress. It has belt loops. It did not come with a belt when I purchased it. Just super classy. I know Theory retails for a lot, does not always resell for a ton, but I thought this was really cute, so I picked that up. This is, oh, I got this also. Some of this stuff is not stuff that I just hauled, but stuff that I just got back from Thredup too that I never showed you guys, so I want to show you before I list it. Okay, this was standard James purse, size 3, which I think is European, I don't know. Made in the USA, 100% Supima cotton. It's a maxi dress, long sleeve, very long, great neutral color. I got this, I probably paid less than $1 for this, or I know I did. In my old videos, back when I first started, I had bought a bunch of bags of clothes off Facebook Marketplace, and I paid not very much for them. I will link them up above. I got some really amazing stuff. That's where those Johnny Was pants came from. I got a ton of good stuff, so that's where that was from. So this next item also came back from Thredup. It did not sell. This brand, I had never heard of it before. It's Oh Second, and it retailed for $450. It's new with tags, and it's just like this nice dress. It has padding at the bust, and this looks like, it's kind of interesting. This looks like half a star. If you look on each side, it looks like half a star. So I thought that was pretty cool. I did have this on Poshmark for a long time with no interest, but sometimes it's like when you get stuff back from Thredup, or if you relist stuff with new pictures, like just because it didn't sell for me a year ago doesn't mean it's not gonna sell for me now. So this I had gotten in those bags of clothes off Facebook Marketplace, and I was not super sure about it. Okay, so it's Giorgio Armani, but I don't know. This tag looked a little fishy to me. Do any of you guys know if this would be real? It's a very heavy sweater, so it feels good quality. It has the emblem, and let's see if there's a material tag. I don't think there was. Yeah, I don't know. It was really high quality, so I can't imagine it being fake, but I don't know. The tag looks a little weird, and this thing has nothing on it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. I also need opinions when it comes to the Fendi item. So I think that's gonna be last. I have to find it. It's over there somewhere. Please keep watching, and if you're still watching, please give this video a thumbs up and a comment. Sorry, I'm rushing through it. It's so hot. We've got, everything's falling. Lucky brand shorts. This will probably be just like a good $25. They're white, they're in really good condition. So I'm excited to list those. This brand, I'm not sure even how to say it. It's Neve, N-E-V-E. This is the tag. I got it for like 50 cents or something, super cheap. It's a wool blend, and I can't, this says like Neve, whatever the brand is, but then it says AMOOIEVEA. I don't know what is going on here. I'm gonna insert a picture from their website up here. Their stuff retails for a lot, so I'm gonna have to figure out all about this. Okay, this next item, So sad. So I sent this into Thredup. It sold for over $100. My payout was about $100, and then they returned it. So it's Classiques Interieur. I've sold this brand for like around 20 bucks on Poshmark. It sells for a ton on Thredup, not on Poshmark. I would send this back in, but I'm not getting labels right now. So anyway, it's leather. It has a belt. It has ribbed sleeves. It's very long, super classy. This is the tag. Yeah, so this sold for like 100 something on Thredup, but they returned it. It is what it is. Next is Free People Intimates, or Intimately Free People. There's the tag. These are some loungewear. They're like basically like fleece yoga pants, and they're good neutral color. They're very long. Definitely gonna have to put measurements on this. They're like ribbed at the bottom, but they're very, very, very long. So yeah, they're like this pair of pants is like as tall as me. So I will have to measure that. Eileen Fisher, wool, short sleeve sweater, kind of ugly, honestly. But it would have sold for like $200 on Thredup, or like 150, but yeah, I'll probably get like 44 on Poshmark. That's fine. More items, and then we'll get to the Fendi item. This was, I think, in those bags off Facebook Marketplace. I had sent a ton of that because when I got those bags, I was overwhelmed with stuff. So I had sent a ton of it to Thredup and without expedited shipping. So once it finally got there, got processed after a bunch of months, had the 90 days to sell. The things that didn't sell are just now getting back to me. So this is new with tags. It's vintage. It's sequin mesh sparkly. This is the back. The brand is Doncaster, and this is the tag. And then it also says Tanner Factory Store, and then it has where it said retail 125, and then that's crossed out, and then it says 400. So I don't know, but yeah, vintage, new with tags. That's pretty cool. D Exterior, made in Italy. So it's this very stretchy material, almost like neoprene kind of material. It has this like sparkly pattern. It's a little bit of a peplum top, and it has scalloped edges. The only problem is that it does have a little bit of staining or discoloration at the arm. Did wash it, so we're gonna list it and just state that it has a little bit of discoloration. We got Giorgio Armani, just a skirt, another brand that sells so good on Thredup. I sold multiple pieces where my payout was almost $200, but no one bought this. So it's just a basic skirt. I honestly don't think this is gonna sell for very much or for a while on Poshmark, but I mean, this was my first time finding this brand, the Ralph Lauren collection. It's the purple label, made in the USA. It's like a midi pencil skirt. I'm pretty sure it's linen. It feels like linen. Okay, I don't know. It's too hot. I need to finish this video. Pretty sure it's linen. Just a basic black skirt. And new with tags, Theory. Thredup also sent this back damaged. So the name is Alternia, whatever. I don't know. This is the tag. When they sent it back, it also had the price thing removed, but luckily I had a picture of it before I sent it in. So I think it was like $300. It's 100% silk. It could be worn like off the shoulders, on the shoulders. It has these like bell sleeves with cinching. Really cute. I have now that Thredup sent it back to me. A spot. And I know it's not that big of a deal, but it's like, this is the newest tag, $300 shirt. So yeah, we're almost done. It's like 95 degrees. One more Eileen Fisher pair of pants. The waistband is a little bit messed up, so I'll have to put that in the listing. I don't see a material tag, but I could have sworn this was Tencel Lyocell. This is my first time finding this brand, Magashoni, Magashoni. It's pretty expensive. It's a blazer. It's the material makes it look very casual. I don't know why it's not looking right. yeah, so there's that. Okay, now I'm gonna go find the Fendi item and then we'll be done. So this is my first time finding Fendi. Okay, this is the tag. And it says Fendi jeans, made in Italy. So at first I was like, this is probably fake, but I looked it up because it says Fendi jeans, not Fendi. So basically, I'm pretty sure this is a vintage skirt. It's brown mini skirt, so I'm not really sure how much I'm gonna get for this, but yeah, it definitely looks vintage. Here's the tag. It says Swinger International SPA, made in Italy. Has an email address on it. Has a bunch of like random stuff. So I do need to research this more, but I wanted to show you guys real quick. So there we go. So if you watched the whole way through, that really means a lot to me. Please make sure to like and comment, and if you feel like it, share on your Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.